First impressions tend to last. As the focal point and entryway to your household, a driveway is an extension of a homeowner's taste and style. That's why the engineers and architects over at Driveways by Design will help you make an impression that will last a lifetime.
Well, Rene and I met over 20 years ago. My passion for architecture and design and his passion for hospitality brought us together. And when you install a driveway, you need to think that that will enhance the property, but also will add value. The home doesn't stop with the interior, extend to the exterior. Many people do not realize the styles that we have in Miami. They think that we have one style that used to the new developments and the cookie cutter homes, the same pavers, the same colors, the same stamped concrete. We do things different. We would like to achieve something unique, something that it will stand out from the rest. I like creativity, innovation, and beauty, but that beauty needs to be functional.
And that functionality extends way beyond the driveway. After an initial consultation, clients can meet to discuss the vast array of hardscaping options, including gazebos, outdoor kitchens, pool refinishing, patios, deck, and lush landscaping.
Each project is different. Each client is special. Every project is based on their taste and the needs of the space as well. I like to look at the property in person, look at the style, look at the neighborhood. Every city has different codes and regulations, and we have a team of experts. We know the permitting process in and out.
Once the scope of work is defined and the layout designed, a master installer goes on site to begin the initial groundwork.
As soon as we break ground, we'd like to have about 2 weeks from the initial excavation to installation. We'd like to work around the trees. As you can see here, there's big oak trees. We had to get in an arborist in order to properly prune the roots. After that, the bobcat comes in, starts excavating. With a driveway, it's all about the base. If you don't have a good base, then you're going to have major problems in the future. So we like to put 6 to 8 inches of lime rock, which gets very well compacted. On top of that, we put a layer of sand, and then that's when we start laying the pavers, which is Shosh's specialty.
This is one of my latest designs, and so far one of my favorites. The driveway being large, it was non-functional. We widened it out, we extended to the back for better circulation. We wanted to separate the areas, what is driveway and what is the entrance of the house. These gray pavers blend with the gray pebbles and the concrete slabs that takes you to the main entrance, and to enhance the entrance, to make it a grand entrance, we created a floating step. From the floating step, we have more landscaping with colors, nothing that is overpowering. You don't want to overshadow the property, you want to enhance it.
All the elements come together in gorgeous display of design and function, creating a completely personalized and highly unique part of the home that stands out for all the neighborhood to enjoy.
What I love about my job is to bring the client's dreams and goals to reality, from the blueprints to the real project, to give them a home that they will enjoy for years to come.
Whether it's custom tiling, pool lining, or lush landscape, the seasoned artisans at Driveways by Design has it covered. For more information, please visit their website at drivewaysbydesign.com.